Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up our talkback shortcut as a button on a screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for shortcut options, how to enable it, and where to find it. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options right here, and at the top we have talkback. In the talkback shortcut menu, we need to enable this button, allow, so we can have changes made here. So we want our screen button, so it will appear on the bottom right, and as you can see, we have it here.
Talkback on. Home. Navigate.
As you can see, our talkback button
Talkback off.
is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.